Vienna, the name itself conjures images of elegance and grandeur, a city where every corner tells a story. This is a city that wears its history with grace, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Vienna invites you to slow down, savor the moment, take a leisurely stroll through its charming streets or relax in one of its many serene parks. Let its beauty wash over you, from the tranquil riverbanks to the lush green spaces that offer a peaceful retreat. As the capital of Austria, Vienna has long been a crossroads of culture and history, a melting pot of influences that have shaped its unique character. The legacy of the Habsburg Empire is evident everywhere you look, in the grand palaces and majestic buildings that stand as symbols of a rich heritage. Grand palaces and ornate gardens stand as testaments to a bygone era, inviting you to step back in time and imagine the splendor of imperial life. Yet Vienna is not stuck in the past. It embraces the future with a modern skyline and contemporary architecture. It thrives as a modern metropolis with a vibrant art scene and a welcoming atmosphere where tradition meets innovation. Whether you're wandering through its cobbled streets or sipping coffee in a traditional cafe, Vienna captivates the senses with its timeless charm. Come discover the magic of Vienna, a city that offers something for everyone, from history buffs to art lovers. You'll find a city that is both grand and intimate, where monumental landmarks stand alongside cozy, hidden gems. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've said Auf Wiedersehen, leaving you with memories to cherish forever. Vienna's heart beats with history, resonating through its cobblestone streets and grand architecture. The city centre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its cultural and historical significance. Everywhere you look, stories unfold, inviting you to explore and discover the past. Take St. Stephen's Cathedral, for instance, a symbol of Vienna's enduring spirit. This soaring Gothic masterpiece has witnessed centuries of Viennese life, standing tall through the ages. Step inside and feel its grandeur, a sanctuary of art and faith. Marvel at the intricate details and stained glass windows, each telling a unique story. Just a short stroll away is the Hofburg Palace, a symbol of imperial power. This sprawling complex was once the seat of the Habsburg emperors, a center of European history. Today it houses museums, government offices, and the renowned Spanish riding school. Watch in awe as Lipizzaner stallions perform their elegant ballet, a dance of grace and tradition. It's a tradition that has captivated audiences for generations, a living link to Vienna's storied past. The Danube River flows through Vienna like a blue ribbon. It's a source of life and beauty. Take a stroll along its banks. Feel the gentle breeze. Watch the boats glide by. The Danube is more than just a river. It's a symbol of Vienna's spirit. Rent a bike and explore the Danube Island. This 13-mile-long island is a haven for recreation. Enjoy the cafes and playgrounds, hike through the woods, or simply relax by the water's edge. Vienna's natural beauty will refresh your soul. Section 4, where nature embraces the city. Vienna is a city that embraces nature in every corner. Parks and gardens are woven into the very fabric of urban life, offering a serene escape. The Viennese understand the importance of green spaces for well-being and community. They provide a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Breathe the fresh air, soak up the sunshine, feel rejuvenated. One of the most stunning examples of this harmony is the Schönbrunn Palace Gardens. These sprawling grounds were once the private playground of the Habsburgs, filled with history and grandeur. Today they are a gift to the city and its visitors, a place where history meets leisure. Wander through the meticulously manicured hedges, feeling the touch of history. Get lost in the intricate hedge maze, a delight for both young and old. Visit the Gloriette for panoramic views that take your breath away. The Schönbrunn Palace Gardens are a testament to the perfect harmony between nature and architecture, a true marvel. Section 5, a feast for the senses. Vienna is a feast for the senses, especially for those who appreciate culinary delights. The aroma of freshly baked pastries wafts from countless bakeries. Indulge in a slice of Sachertorte, Vienna's iconic chocolate cake. Find a cozy cafe and savor the moment. The Viennese coffee house is an institution. It's a place to relax, converse, and watch the world go by. Order a melange, Vienna's version of cappuccino. Enjoy the newspaper service, let the hours slip away. In Vienna, time seems to move a little slower. Section 6. Vienna awaits, Vienna is calling. Come experience its imperial grandeur, its musical legacy, and its enchanting atmosphere. Wander through its historic streets, relax in its beautiful parks, indulge in its culinary delights. Vienna offers something for everyone. Vienna is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place where you can reconnect with yourself, immerse yourself in history, and create lasting memories. Start planning your Viennese adventure today. You won't be disappointed.